People ask, how would you describe your music? There's reggae Samoan, hip hop Samoan, country Samoan, blues Samoan, there's heavy metal Samoan,
R&B Samoan.
R&B Samoan, right?
Yep.
Where do we lie? And how would we categorize?
I would describe it as acoustic Samoan music. Problems arise when we start using labels like traditional. I don't think we can use that as an accurate descriptor for our type of music. You see this like in the Tewila Festival, or even at like some of the hotels, or even just in the villages. They'll play acoustic music with guitars, ukuleles, and then the cello. That's what FAIVA is.
There isn't a genre called Samoana.
So acoustic Samoan music would be called Samoan.
Yeah,
I like that.
Yeah.
Samoana.
We are trailblazers, and we can name things as we see fit. If somebody has something to say, we can all discuss it.
Yeah.
You know,
I agree.
everybody, we welcome everyone to
Join in this conversation.
Yeah.
this-
Samoan
yeah.
music belongs to all of us,
Belongs
to all
to all of
Samoans.
us, yeah.
It's up to us to negotiate what is our music and who we
Right.
are and how we go about it. And it's not up to any one of us. It's up to all of us. It's an awesome thing.